You everything alright? What happened? Man, who do these people think they are? Like, what the heck? What happened, bro? Tell me, but I just feel like slapping these idiots. Like, there's at least one clown in each of my videos who's just hating on me. Like, do they actually think that they're better than me? Are they better than you though? Honest answer, are they better than you? No, hell no. You know that as well. Can you read out some of the comments so I get a better perspective? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure why you're so angry right now. Alright, let me read a few. Okay, let me read this long one. It's gonna be just to give you want perspective. Here's perspective for you. So why are you starting a discussion with this half-baked garbage? Tesla is not known for Tesla. Do you know why it's known for Elon Musk? Because of all the innovations with not only Tesla but SpaceX. Not only that, Elon is known to be quite a social person, doing podcasts, sharing his ideas with the world, and that's just tip of the iceberg. Mark Zuckerberg, on the other hand, has made a name for himself for selling the personal information of people. You want to make a name of yourself like that? Apple and Microsoft, why are they known for Tim Cook, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, respectively? Steven mostly of his hardships and small beginnings to what the iPhone can do today, as well as the idea of innovation he wanted to spread in the world. Bill, because of his fair innovations and his charity, so on. Basically, my point is that it all boils down to innovation. Okay, so far so good. Its usefulness to humanity and the time of your breakthrough. Mercedes is in fact huge in F1, making breaking record each year in the standings. The only reason why it isn't big because its innovation, while still being caught in the right direction, is useless to the common man. So what if your car goes burr than the last year? But faster than last year. If you think YouTube is easy and you're looking for a challenge, get to a milli. I dare you. Don't go on saying it's small app or bigger goals in life. It takes effort and to make content, even if it's 5 minute craft and extremely clickbaity. You'll get nowhere with your sorry ass babbling the same thing over and over again for 11 minutes straight, with the only edit being a jump cut and dry humor. That just makes it plain awkward how you compare yourself with the big boys, making a brand for yourself and preaching your incomplete and nonsensical knowledge. Stick to working out, my friend. So there's so many like this, but let me break this down for you, okay? I know you want to say stuff, but just wait, okay? Let me just destroy this guy for a second. Okay, he's telling me, okay, he's compared me with, he's told what Elon, Mark and Steve and Tim have done, and Warren Buffett and whoever he mentioned, and he specifically said, you want to make a name of yourself like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and all these other guys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Like, just because you don't have a life, you're telling me that I can't do it. How stupid does this guy think he is? Okay, then he just roasts me in the end. Wait, let me just destroy it. Okay. My point in this video wasn't. I don't want to explain this video right now, but the point is completely different from what this guy is saying. It's not about whether they innovate or not. It is how they are viewed in the public eye. Okay, he's saying Mercedes in F1 is doing big. I know they're doing big. Their innovation is big. It's not useful to common man. So what? Everyone still knows about it, right? F1 is the fastest growing sport right now in the world, even bigger than football. I think it's growing twice the size of football right now. Like, it's going crazy. F1 is going crazy right now. That's the difference. My point of this video was to get out there in the world. Man, it doesn't matter if the innovation isn't useful to me. It doesn't matter. Tesla's cars were expensive as heck. No, the average man still cannot afford a Model X. They can't afford it. But still, what? Everyone knows about it, right? This guy is stupid. Oh my god. Do you think YouTube is easy? Absolutely not. When in the video did I say this? And you're looking for a challenge, get to a milli. I will get to a milli, you stupid idiot. Oh, and I have goals. Yes, of course I have bigger goals in life. Can't. Just because you've given up on yourself, you don't believe in yourself, you don't believe you can do any of this shit, You have bigger goals in life. Oh man, of course I have big goals in life. I'm not like you. Okay, the last thing. I'm not comparing myself with the big boys. This guy is stupid as hell. Let me explain why. I'm not comparing. This is what I'm doing. There's a really good quote that I know of. Let me tell you that. Rather than being a reflection of what they could do, you become a reflection of what they are not doing. Right now, this guy who's commented, he's probably looking at Elon Musk and saying like, okay, Elon Musk invented his team invented some crazy shit. Okay, this guy's gonna look at that and say, oh damn, that's cool. I wish I could afford that someday. And I'm here saying, oh man, that's sick. I can do that as well. That's my mentality. That's his mentality. I don't know why these kids just come out of nowhere. They're so stupid, man. Oh my god. I can't even do this anymore. And if I see this guy and if I see any of these haters, man, in real life, they're getting it from me. No joke, they're getting it from me. You're definitely correct here. You're definitely right here. But the way you're handling this situation is not correct, my friend. Man, what are you talking about, man? Are you? What am I supposed to do, man? You tell me. All these losers deserve to get punched in the face. Okay, then how are you different from those guys? You wanna punch them, they wanna punch you. You're always talking about being uncommon. If you do the things most people do, you'll end up like most people. But right now, you're disconnected from those statements. The point is that you are wasting your time hating on these people. I agree with you with what you said, but then how do I not be like that? Honestly, it's pretty simple, but I'll let you figure it out. Okay, cut. Man, can you please? I'm getting irritated already with that comment. Can you just tell me what else can I do? Like, what can I do to not be like them? Just tell me that. Okay. The answer is kindness. What? What? Kindness. You just say kindness. Please explain, my friend. Please explain. Okay, do you agree that those negative comments gave you the strength to prove them wrong? It gave you the strength to push yourself even harder, which is increasing your chances of success? Yes, I do agree that I agree with that. So thank them for it. Simple as that. Those haters are propelling you forward in the form of motivation. Use that. Okay, but then where does the kindness part come in? Okay, unlock your phone and go to that comment that you just read out. You're gonna reply to it. Okay, one sec. What do I reply? Wait, let me open it really quick. I'm gonna tell you what to comment. You write those exact words in the comment box. Okay. Thank you. You've given me the strength I needed to be that guy. To really push for 1 million subs, to innovate and change the world and help people. I will be forever grateful to you. Wow, this is amazing. Bro, you've just given me an entirely new perspective. This was beyond what I thought. Oh my god. Thank you, man. Bro, high five. Yeah, anytime, man. Man, how can I repay you? Or how do I repay you? You always come here and save me in a time of need. I still can't repay you. How can I do that? How can you repay me? Man, just like the video and subscribe. 100%, man. I'll watch all your videos. I'll like all your videos. Share all your videos with all my friends. And subscribe to your channel with 100 of my accounts. How's that sound?